Have you asked yourself or anybody else, why is the sky blue? And how come the sun looks yellowish orange during sunset? Science has the answer. Let's find it out in this video.
Greetings everybody, my name is Aldrin and I'm happy to share with you a little knowledge about physics and astronomy. In order to answer the questions, why is the sky blue? And how come the sun looks orange during sunset? We will be having a simple demonstration right here. For this demonstration, we have a few materials which you can easily find them at home. First of all, we have a transparent container that contains tap water, a flashlight, whether it's a traditional flashlight or your cell phone that has a flashlight function, it would work pretty well. Just make sure that it shines white light, and a glass of milk. Now, I'm going to put some milk into this container with water. And I'm going to mix it. And then we're going to lay down this container like this. Afterwards, I'm going to use the flashlight in order for us to shine some light into this container to see some effect. In order for us to see this effect more clearly, we're going to turn off the light. Okay, let's see if I bring the flashlight towards the water and milk mixture. So I'm going to shine the flashlight towards the top of the container. What do you notice? It looks bluish, isn't it? How about if we bring the flashlight on the side? What do you notice? It looks yellowish, isn't it? Pretty awesome, right?
Why does this happen? Let's rewind for a moment.
The transparent container perfectly represents our planet Earth, which has the Earth's atmosphere. And it also has some surface water. So this is pretty reasonable to be a good representative for the Earth. This glass of milk perfectly represents the other particles in our atmosphere. And the flashlight, this perfectly represents the sunlight rays.
We can recall that sunlight is basically white light, which is the combination of the colors of the rainbow, RGB, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. In this scenario, white light behaves as a wave that can be bent, reflected, and scattered. In this demonstration, the light rays travel at a straight path from the flashlight at the top down to the container. The particles from the water and milk mixture filters the white light into different colors, and then scatters the bluish color, which is the most dominating color to be observed compared to the rest of the colors. This actually happens in the morning and noontime, when the sun is located high in the sky. When the flashlight is moved to the other side of the container, we then notice that it turned yellow-orange in color, since the light rays are traveling through a much thicker layer of the water and milk mixture. Because of this further filters the flashlight rays, and then scatters the most dominating color, yellow-orange, which has a longer wavelength and shorter wave frequency. This actually happens in the afternoon, when the sun is about to set, having located much lower in the sky, in which we can see it turning into yellowish-orange color. In reality, the gas particles in our Earth's atmosphere filters out the intense white light rays from the sun into different colors, and then scatters out the most dominating color, Depending on how thick the layers of the atmosphere, light has to pass through before it can be observed. This process is called as Rayleigh scattering. That's it for this video, and I hope you learned something new for today. Cheers guys everyone!